Good day, skaters. Today, me and Jazz are down in Punta Gorda, Florida at the Punta Gorda skate park. And it's a beautiful day. We haven't been down here in a while. We just wanted to do a little overview of the skate park. We've skated it many times, but we have not done a first-person view to talk about the obstacles. And we've recently discovered they've added a few more. So let's get at it. I'll skate around here and show you guys this cool little park. It's on a flat concrete pad. They've got bathrooms. We're at a park, so there's bathrooms, water fountains, places to sit. It's super sweet. So the ramps here are metal. They're chilled. Some have coping on them, some don't. Different angles. They've got slide rails here, and in the middle here, more metal ramps. They're pretty mellow with a variety of different things you can do. You've got steps. You've got mellow. You got fun boxes, little mini spines, all kinds of fun obstacles. It's really smooth, and there's not a lot of people that usually come out here, so you can get in a lot of skating for the time you're here, which is really cool. So you got these ramps over here, and then you got these metal ones over here. These are a little bigger, but you can see there's like a little mini quarter ramp right there. It's pretty sweet. We got some older skaters here. Different obstacles. We got little concrete, I don't know what you call that one there. Nice little alley, sweet. Fun boxes. It's small, but it's fun, and there's not a lot of people again, so you can get in a lot of skating. They've got, here's another little fun box with a bunch of angles on it. A bunch of open space here. Concrete circle here, you can just jump on and off, do all kinds of things, up to your creativity. Jazz is over here on this old Mini that I built my Mini based off of. There's quarter ramps here on both sides, and you can kind of utilize these, and it's fun. This park is fun because you can skate around in sort of like an X Games kind of run thing where you can hit a bunch of obstacles, you know, and it's super fun. You can get a lot of speed on the flat and come around and hit the obstacles and just kind of make it like a street run if you want, or you can ride these minis. This Mini here is 4 feet high. It's really nice. It's been here for a long time. We've skated it many times. It's about 4 feet. It is 4 feet high. I've measured it, and about 12 feet wide. Super solid. And we just recently found out there's new obstacles over here where you come in. There's a slide box right there and a big half pipe where Jazz is up here checking it out. This thing's 5 feet tall. See what you got. Let's go. 5 feet tall. It's got a taller drop-in end on it. Jazz has already adapted to it well. She's just a natural. It's amazing. It's fun. Those 180s. Let's go. So she's doing some. This thing is smooth. There's no rivets. It's not that hot. It is metal, but
it will be hot in the afternoon.
It will be.
I would recommend a morning visit,
especially in the warmer months.
What do you think of the ramp?
It's very nice.
The new one.
It's very great.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Would you recommend other people coming here?
I highly recommend it.
All right, well, we've had a good time. We're nice and sweaty. We've both got workouts. I've done some things on here. It's fun. She has too. So if you're ever in the area down in Punta Gorda, Florida, come down and check out the skate park here. It's lots of fun. It's free to get into, but I'll mention that. So that's why I forgot to mention that. But anyway, we'll see you until next time, skaters. We will see you later. Have a good rest of your weekend. Bye.